You good? You good? Oh, you smart boy. Yeah, you smart boy. No, what?
Successful. I thought it was still on the ramp, kind of, so I was gonna put that on.
What is up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're gonna be doing another install on the GTI, and I've got Mr. Lazy BQ, Kindlestone, and Hayden.S2K here with us today because we're installing this ECS V1 front lip, and we just got done fixing up this V3 because it had a bit of an issue, but
there's no instructions. This is just a label to say what was in it, but you got a $100 wine voucher. If anybody wants it, I doubt he's gonna use it. If anybody wants it, there's the code. You can have it.
I'll edit that out.
You're not gonna leave it in?
No.
Why?
I'm keeping that.
You are?
I'm not gonna use it myself, but I'll buy my parents it for some with it.
Oh, I didn't think anyone would drink it, so it's in there. But yeah, I thought that was instructions. So.
Yeah. So I bought this lip about a month ago, and it showed up a couple days before we left to go tail the dragon. And to be honest, guys, initial impressions aren't the best. I hear a lot of horror stories of this lip, and pretty much how I got it is I bought the Maxton lip, was told that it was in stock, bought it, and then a couple days after my order went through, they told me that it wasn't in stock and didn't give me the option to cancel the order. I was pretty much told I had to pick from a couple of different lips, which included the ECS, and due to money constraints at the time, I chose the ECS, and it showed up. I bought a diffuser around the same time, and it did not show up. I actually wound up canceling that order yesterday. But initial impressions aren't the best, but we're gonna do our best. And I think the lack of instructions just kind of...
What also doesn't make sense is there's 6 like screws or bolts, whatever, right here, and then one single star bit bolt or torque spit bolt right here. But there's 11 holes. We only have 7 things.
Right.
What are we doing? I don't know what to do.
So
we'll figure it out though. It shouldn't be that.
No.
And I'm sure it reuses some of the clips on the bottom anyways.
Yeah.
So I'm sure we can figure it out. Yeah, get started. Whatever. Rambo!
Where? Oh, yeah. You probably can't. You guys can't see it probably on camera, but. But hey, Kaysen's here to help me out with the install today because I am scared of drilling into stuff. Kaysen's done a front lip before on multiple cars, I think, and you know, I think you drilled in to get those canards in on the G, didn't you?
I didn't personally. I had a body shop do it, but I'm not. I mean, I guess that shows I'm not scared because that's like a $1,200 front bumper, and I said put holes in it. So I mean, I guess I'm not scared. This isn't my bumper. It'll be all right.
But our main worry is getting this thing off the ramps because it about took the stock front bumper with it when we were coming up here.
Just adding that extra like length, that little bit of space on the bottom. I don't know, but we'll figure it out.
Yeah, we'll figure this out. And it's something to make doing my oil change at some point in the next few days. A very fun experience. But for those who are new to my channel, this is my 2017 Mark 7 GTI, the final year before the Mark 7.5. It is a DSG car. I know I'm probably gonna get some whiny comments about that because people are manual purists and don't like DSG cars for some reason, in which case, oh well. But it's got HPA stage 2. It's got no DSG tune currently, but I do have one ready for it. This video is probably gonna go up before I upload my unboxing. There they are. And it's got VLAN Mark 8 style headlights and Amazon sequential mirror lights. I'm about to get ran over. ECS. The fellas are here. The cavalry's here. Oh. But we're gonna get to it, and I'll get back to you guys as we go.
But that's all right. Just before you start pulling this out and pushing hard against the bumper, make sure it's lined up. Is that recording?
Yeah.
Make sure it's lined up.
Busy girl, it's not that complicated. Got me tied up in a leash and round, round. You got me running in a circle. I'm just trying to find my way back to you. What happened to us? Round in a circle. Miami, use a pet, you think you own me. I'm nothing but a boy for you to wind up when you wanna pretend to get to know me. You got me running in a circle. I'm just trying to find my way back to you. What happened to this round in a circle? Back where I started, I was stuck here like glue. You keep me on the loop. I'm just trying to find my way back to you. What happened to us? Round in a circle. Back where I started, I was stuck here like glue. You keep me on loop. I'm used to waiting. Are you? Would you be waiting there too? I'm used to staying with you. Would you be waiting?
They can't force you into this. Hold on, grab his camera. Put it right there. So
We're gonna. Is it videoing right now?
Yes. It's been recording this entire time. Oh shit.
Aiming it down at it. I don't know how much you can see. Oh, good. Just goes like kind of. Go ahead. You've got plenty of like room. Like you don't have to be that easy. Go ahead. Go ahead. Go ahead. Go ahead.
I'm gonna neutral it the rest of the way.
All right. Yeah.
You're gonna roll forward. Maybe.
Yeah. You still need to go back some more. You're still on the flat. Go ahead some more. Go some more. You've got plenty of. Go ahead.
Oh my god.
Now you can put it neutral.
It's gonna hit up.
That's what I'm trying to say. What do we do? Do I put it?
You have to hit more. No, I mean I do. It's gonna hit there, right? I do, but it's not
right here?
I can't take it out of here. You know what you're talking about?
No, you're good. Go down. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Stop! Why would you tell him to keep going if it's clearly gonna hit? It's fine.
It's too late now. They're telling me I'm gonna put this on jack stands and do oil changes now. Don't really have much of an option now. Go ahead and, I guess, go ahead and cut.
Cut?
Yeah, go.
Oh, can we pull the wood up a little further?
No.
His tire's on it.
Go ahead, Jordan. Go ahead. Go ahead.
He's on the wood now, so it should
so
pick
now
up.
You're good.
But it's gonna fall so hard. Oh my
god! Yeah, it is.
Dude, it is so
Is
touching, but you're good. You're good. It's not gonna touch it because now you're going up on the wood.
Don't go. Hang on.
Don't be fast.
There's got to be something else to put on there. There's no other wood anywhere at all. Let's go look. Yes, please. Because it's gonna fall off that wood, and it's gonna go. Whoa, boom!
I mean, it's not gonna touch now on that head.
It is literally touching.
No, but once you hit the wood, it's fine. It's once it's off the wood, what's gonna happen?
Then that's gonna be the problem.
Some of the stone? Now rip this exhaust off when you push it through.
Oh, please don't. Oh, that sound.
Alright, you're good.
You Gucci? I mean, this video is already getting titled "Install Gone Wrong," so.
How about that?
No, with red arrows.
No? Nah, it's fine. It's gonna go straight off on it.
It's gonna be good. Okay. So it's gonna be good.
Yeah, no, it's good. That's good. You're fine right there. I'll give you $1 if it rips it off. I'll give it $1. We'll make a GoFundMe for your front lip. No, I didn't. No, back up. You good? You good? Oh, you smart boy. No. Yeah, you smart boy. No, what?
Successful. I thought it was still on the ramp, kind of, so I was gonna put that behind it. But no.
Am I good to back off the rest of the way?
Yeah.
Or am I off?
You can probably get back. Don't hit my car. The board rips it off.
Hey, like, stop!
I got backup cameras, bro.
That board like
Scared me. You're like revenge for installing the lip shitty. I'm gonna hit Casey's front bumper.
I got a backup camera.
Look, you made it. You made it at least. All right. This didn't go wrong.
No, the install went wrong.
No,
but getting
it
off
did
the ramp,
touch the ramp.
almost went off.
It did touch the ramp a little bit, but you know, now you just got to hit like 100 miles an hour.
All right, guys, the GoPro died, so we managed to somehow, some way get it off the ramps. Thankfully, we actually had these old ramps lying around from.
What if I just pick that up?
So yeah, definitely not the most ideal front lip out there. Definitely, if you are looking at one, if it's not available, get Maxton. But I mean, I don't know, it looks good.
Yeah, it actually looks like really good.
What?
Now it's just a matter of how long it's actually
Gonna stay.
How long will this last?
That is the question, because I mean, we do have 3 bolts in it, right?
You've at least made like what, $25?
Hey, when you're talking, look at the camera. You look.
I make 200 today.
Yeah, look.
This will pay itself off in one day. I've already made this back.
He's actually showing your dips.
Yeah. Anyways, if
Hey,
you,
you can't put the.
yeah, if it lasts a week at least, you're
Dude,
you at
that's
least got
a
your
long
money's
time.
worth.
Yeah.
You've got your money.
No,
worth.
you've got
Dude,
3 bolts in it, right?
The potholes in Douglasville are gonna fuck that thing.
Oh yeah. How many bolts did you put in it?
You do need to cop this.
You put 1.
No. There's one right here,
All right.
and then there's one on each side right here. The
Okay.
rest is 3M because ECS Tuning decided to make it where you can't even put bolts in the rest of it.
Well, that'd be crooked.
It's not my fault. No, without breaking the shit. I can't do it. So yeah, this is not my fault.
No, it's definitely.
The instructions don't even show a Volkswagen.
It's an Audi. It's an Audi A3.
It's an Audi, yeah. And it doesn't. What it's showing you to install is like shit like this. Not even a lift. Shit like this.
Oh, the bumper flares.
Yeah.
I just, not gonna lie, I kind of want to get those, but ECS is the only company that fucking sells them.
Overall, look, it looks good. Just be careful with it.
Terrible quality.
Be careful with it.
But I know this video seems like we were just dogging ECS, and we kind of were, but it definitely looks good. I'm excited just to take pictures with it and see how it looks and all that stuff, but it's definitely not the most ideal front lip out there. But it definitely looks good, so hopefully it lasts, and we'll see how it goes. So who knows, maybe I'll follow this up with a video about it falling apart. So anyway, guys, we hope you all enjoyed. We'll see you guys next time. Have a fantastic day.